Hello, we are from Group 2 and our product is Charles and Kate expansion to UK. And my name is Raditya Afif Maruf. I would like to explain and present about company overview. Established in 1996, Charles and Kate is a Singapore fashion label that made affordable luxury items such as bags, shoes, jewel, and many more that enhance life and work. Born in Singapore, Charles and Kate Wong established their namesake brand with the intention of empowering women worldwide to express their unique and confidence through the transformative power of fashion. The Wong family currently owns all Charles and Kate, which has retail presence about 700 locations across 30 countries around the world, with particularly strong presence in the Asia Pacific and Middle East, in major fashion capitals like Seoul, Tokyo, and Dubai. The key resource and competitive advantage of this brand is strategically build a global presence by effectively utilizing various key resources that are secret stuff or main ingredients of operation and support expansion. One of key research of this brand is in-house design and product development team, which play on crucial role in shaping brands' identity and staying top on fast fashion industry. Other than that, Charles and Kate had another important resource, its efficient supply chain and distribution system. This brand manages their logistics internally, which to ensure timely and reliable delivery product to global network of over 700 physical stores around the world. Also, Charles and Kate has successfully expanded its global appeal through strategic collaboration and ambassador. For example, Charles and Kate collaboration with ITZY or K-pop band which is influenced in Asia. This initiative can improve their expansion, attract new clients, and enhance the reputation in competitive area which in Asia. And how AI can support expansion by enhancing customer interaction. Nowadays, one of the obvious and frequent use of AI lies in its ability to improve customer service and engagement. Traditional or manually customer service often struggle with timeliness, especially during peak hour. AI powered chatbot and virtual assistant after reliable solution by providing real-time customer support 24/7. For fashion brand, it means AI can serve as a real-time trend forecasting tool. For example, if social media analyze detect an increased interest in hobo bag among millennials and Gen Z consumers in South Asia, Charles and Kate can use this insight to adjust product offering ahead the competitors.
So what makes Charles and Keith expand their market globally is to recover from the challenges they had faced in the home country, which is Singapore. So Charles and Keith have strived to stay culturally relevant and competitive. So they have to compete with the highly saturated market with numerous high-end affordable fashion market. So the company has to stay ahead of the trend in design, fashion, and marketing, as well as we all know that e-commerce is the current market trends nowadays and are largely used globally. So Charles and Keith have to stay adapt with the quick changes in fashion styles to stay relevant. Also, Charles and Keith has focuses on delivering a seamless and convenient online shopping experience, crucial for retaining customers globally. So the brand stays ahead by embracing the emerging technologies, including virtual shopping experiences and metaverse initiatives. A standout example is their Imaginary You NFT collections, which allows customers to engage with the fashion in immersive virtual spaces, pushing the boundaries of the digital market. So, moving on to the selection of market expansion, Charles and Keith chose United Kingdom as one of the country they would like to market their goods in. So, United Kingdom is also known for being the central hub of e-commerce, which has recorded around 182.9 billion euro worth as of 2021. So, which provides a really great potential for fashion brands to market their goods in. UK market also attain high consumers spending and a great online shopping frequency. So operating in United Kingdom has brought out a huge opportunity for the brand to gain a competitive and to make an appeal in the European market due to the local delivery and quicker shipping services. It has improved customer satisfaction.
Hello, I'm Abar, and so first to support the move Charles and Kate to UK market, we already settled the organizational structure to support this move. First, we will have the global team in Singapore to big picture for guidance the strategy in finance, marketing, operation, and sustainability. And next, we will have the European director to connect the global team with the local team in the UK market. And the next, we will have the UK director to lead the local team and to lead the UK and handle in the UK market. So we also have the local team to lead the sales, online shopping, customer service, and others. And we also have team in AI. So with this team, we will better understand the UK market and customer to make the Charles and Kate expansion in the UK market more efficiently and more success in the expansion. And next to our expansion, we will must manage these three big risks in the UK. First, currency exchange. The second, cultural differences. And the third, legal rules in the UK. So in the first, currency exchange, we will handle it with the finance team, and the finance team will manage for the earn and spend the money will be in the same rates. So it will make the currency exchange not influence the Charles and Kate in the UK market because of we earn and spending money in the same rate. And next, cultural differences. Like we know, Singapore and UK have different cultural differences, right? And so cultural differences, it is affect the people to buy the product. So we will adapt in cultural in UK market with like work with their influencer and join the London Fashion Week. So we will adapt this UK cultural to better understand their culture and make the product more people know. And the last risk is legal rules. In the UK, they have strict legal rules for the environment. So to adapt this, we will have the UK risk and compliance manager, and also we will partner with legal expert to adapt these legal rules so we can grow significantly in UK market. And next part is how Charles and Kate sustainable. And so to make Charles and Kate sustainable in UK market, we will make the product will eco-friendly use and more friendly to environment. First, we will use material like virgin leather and recycle fabric, and so the product will save for the planet and it will help the customer and makes our brand more stronger. And the second, for the packaging, we will use local sustainability for the legal rules, and we will using the UK Greens Claim Code to stay the product meet the legal rules in the UK, so the customer will more want to buy the product because the UK customer is more really care about the environment. And the last, for our store and online store, we will use smart tools to avoid the waste and to save energy. So for the store, we will use eco-friendly store, and it will help the improve customer loyalty and also make the lower pollution. So by being responsible and eco-friendly, Charles and Kate will more sustainable in UK market. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Hello, I'm Alika. So market analysis and strategy overview of Charles and Kate can effectively enter and grow within the UK market by understanding local dynamics, consumers, competitors, and strategic fit. UK is culturally rich and fashion forward, especially in cities like London and Manchester. British consumers follow global fashion trends and heavily influenced by social media and sustainability. For Charles and Kate to succeed, it must align to UK preference for ethical fashions, inclusivity, and minimalist style. Charles and Kate targets digitally savvy women aged 20 until 35, and mostly students and young professionals in major cities who value affordability, style, and sustainability. These consumers shop online, are socially conscious, and expect transparency and diverse representation in marketing. Line products and communication with their values is essential. So, the key competitors in the UK include the Duni London that offers classic premium British style, and then Aldo, which focus on fast, trendy, and affordable fashion, and then Kurt Geiger that serve the luxury segment. So the Charles and Kate sits in the affordable luxury space between Aldo and Kurt Geiger, offering quality, trendy design, and accessible price. Differentiation through sustainability and digital innovation is crucial. To thrive in the UK, Charles and Kate focus on affordable luxury with price points slightly below Dun and Kurt Geiger. Emphasize sustainability like using eco-friendly materials and ethical practices. Leverage digital marketing and influence collaboration connects with Gen Z and millennials. Maintain global brand consistency while localizing messaging to reflect UK cultural values and diversity.
Okay, next, key challenge encountered during expansion. So the first thing is understanding cultural differences. So when Charles and Kate entering the UK market, of course they will have cultural differences because the UK market prefer brand heritage and authenticity. And the second thing is tailoring communication style. So Charles and Kate must adapt their product to UK market to suit British humor and social context. And the third is emphasizing diversity and representation. In London, diversity is essential, and the UK consumer expect to see a range of age and ethnicity and body type in campaign aid. And next is recommended the most effective market entry strategy. So should adopt e-commerce for first strategy, which align the company's strength in digital innovation and also reduce the risk associated with launching physical store in new market. And also when entering to e-commerce, it allows Charles and Kate to test the UK market and also understand customer preference. And this strategy is very sensible for the UK consumer, especially for Gen Z and millennial, because they are highly responsive to the convenience, personalization, sustainability in online shopping. And for the manage the risk, company must manage the current function using hedging tools or operate key function in GBP, or ensure compliance with local regulation like UK GDPR and labor laws. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.